Queen Camilla's 2023 Wimbledon debut didn't include formal gestures from the players on the court. On Wednesday, the Queen attended the elite tennis tournament at the All England Lawn Tennis and Croquet Club in London, her first day at the Grand Slam Championship this year and for the first time of the new royal reign. While Camilla, 75, had one of the best seats in the house in the royal box, where she was joined by her sister, Annabelle Elliott, and Prince Albert of Monaco, competitors did not bow or curtsy in her direction as some may expect.